Hello everybody and welcome to Maths with Miss Bradbury. So this week we are learning about number bonds to 10 and we did a lovely singing activity with our fingers about the fingers that are sleeping and the fingers that are awake. We did number bond activities looking at the number blocks 10 again video and how the number blocks, how 10 can be made up using two different numbers. And we have done an activity with pirates and chests, and we looked at the number frames and objects on the number frames and how the two groups of treasure, so the gold coins and the gems, how together the two groups made 10 altogether. So today we're actually going to be looking at Numicon and how we can make 10 using Numicon, using two pieces. So you should remember your Numicon. So this one here, the little orange one, is 1. This little light blue one is 2. The yellow one is 3. And again, we know these because we count the holes. The light green one is 4. We've got the red one, which is 5. We've got the turquoise colour, which is 6. We've got the pink one, which is 7. We've got green like the Hulk, 8. We've got purple, which is number 9. And then we've got the dark blue, which is number 10. So we're going to be using our Numicon pieces to try and put them together and make the number 10 today. So I wonder if you can help me to work out what number would go into our number sentence here. So 10 add something equals 10. 10 add something equals 10. Well, we've got a 10 Numicon piece here already. So do we need to add anything else to make it look like that? No, we don't, do we? So our answer here would be 0. 10 add 0 or nothing equals 10. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at our next challenge. So here we've got the purple 9. So 9 add something equals 10. So have a look at the 9 really closely and have a look at the gap here. What number Numicon do you think would fit in here? What do you think the answer is? 9 add equals 10. Shall we find out? Yes, that's right. 9 add 1 equals 10. And that number 1 would just fit beautifully in that little space there, wouldn't it? Which would make 10. Okay, on to our next challenge. So 8, and we've got our 8 in Numicon, plus or add something equals 10. 8 add something equals 10. Okay, so we've got 8. What else would need to add? 8. Oh, I think I might know what it is. What do you think we would need to pop on the top of that to make it 10 holes altogether? Shall we find out? 8 plus 2 equals 10. And we've got a number sentence there. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Well done, children. Okay, here's our next challenge. What Numicon is this? There's a clue down here. Yes, that's right, number 7. So we've got 7 add something equals 10. I wonder what we can fit in there. So we've got 7. Oh, okay, I'm looking at that sort of shape here. What of my Numicon shapes. Looks like that. A bit like a corner shape. Oh, I'm giving you some clues there. 7 add, what do you think the answer is? Let's find out. Yeah, 7 add 3 equals 10. If you've got some Numicon at home, you can have a go at doing this yourself. But yeah, so that one, it would just twiddle round, and then this bit here would sort of turn and go down there, and then your 2 bits here, your 2 holes would just go there at the top, and then that would make 10 holes all together. Well done. Okay, we're on to our next challenge now. So we've got a number sentence here. Let's have a go at reading that together. 6 add or plus something equals 10. 6 plus something equals 10. How are we going to make 10? We've got 6. Oh, I think I might know the answer. What Numicon piece would I need to put there to make 10? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it's 4. Shall we find out? Yes, that's right. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Well done. Okay, so now we have got this one here. That's right, it's the number 5. 5 plus equals 10. Okay. Shall I just add 1? That's not going to be right, is it? 5 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's not right. How many do you think? 5 plus something equals 10. 5, I'm going to count the gap, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, so I'm looking for a piece about that big. You could even use your fingers to help you with this one. 5 on one hand, and then what else do you need on your other hand to make it 10? What's your other hand? Yes, that's right. 5. 5 and 5 equals 10. Or 5 add 5 equals 10. Or 5 plus 5 equals 10. Well done. Yeah, it's quite easy to do 5 add 5 with your hands. It's like when you say high five to somebody and you sort of press, you clap your hand up against somebody else's hand. That's because you're sort of showing them 5 fingers, really. Okay, what's our next challenge? Our next challenge is 4 plus something equals 10. Do you know? 4 plus something equals 10. Again, if you want to use your fingers to make this a bit easier, so maybe you could make 4 go to sleep. How many are left standing? So 4 have gone to sleep. How many are standing? Yeah, that's right. It's 6. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. And then that one, the number 6, would just sit on top of the number 4, and that would make 10 holes altogether. Okay, we're now on to our next one. So we've got 3 plus something equals 10. 3 plus something equals 10. Again, I'm going to use my fingers to help me. So I've got all my fingers in front of me. Now I've got 3. I'll tell you what, I'm going to make 3 fall asleep. How many fingers have I got left still awake? Yes, that's right. I think the answer's number 7. So well done. 3 plus 7 equals 10. And actually, if you think about it, this one you could just turn upside down, whoop, and then this bit here would fit lovely into that slot, and then this here would go up there. But all together, it would make 10 holes. Okay, we've got another challenge. 2 add equals 10. So 2 plus equals 10. Again, I'm going to use my fingers. I've got my 10 fingers up. 2 are going to fall asleep. They're sleepy. How many fingers have I got left awake? How many fingers are still standing? Yeah, that's right. It is 8. Let's just check though to see if we're right. Yep, 2 plus 8 equals 10. Okay. So we have got 1 plus something equals 10. And again, our number sentence, 1 plus something equals 10. 1 plus something equals 10. Okay, get those fingers up. I've got mine up. How many are asleep? Yep, that's 1. 1 is asleep. How many do you have still awake? Yes, that's right, 9. So 1 add 9 equals 10. 1 add 9 equals 10. And our number 1 can just slot right on top of there, making 10 holes all together. Wow, we've got some more challenges here. So 0 plus something equals 10. Okay, get your hands, get your fingers, and I don't know, let's pop them all, let's say they're all asleep. All of your fingers are asleep, so none are awake. How many are you going to have to pop up to make awake? So you've got none awake at the moment, they're all asleep. We've got 0. 0 are awake, plus how many? How many fingers do you need to put up to make 10 awake? Shall we find out? Yeah, 10. So 0 plus 10 equals 10 because you have to wake them up after they've all been asleep. So well done for doing our activity today, where we've been exploring our number bonds to 10 with Numicon. Obviously, this activity is a lot sort of easier if you've got Numicon at home, which lots of you won't have. But I mean, you could have a go at maybe drawing your own Numicon if you can. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.